bad.
Are you okay, Mr. Mayor?
Well, I felt better. Oh, that's not good.
Let's take him. And eating tuna is not an emergency.
Where's the bathroom?
They can't handle stomachache. How embarrassing.
Sammy, are you okay?
Of course I am. I'm completely fine. Force gun, ready.
Looks like this might be the end of the girls. Hey, wait! What's that sound?
You're no opponent for me. However, I have an urgent matter to tend to. Gosh.